Continuing. NGFW and SASE solution functionality 18%. We now explore Prisma Access, a cloud-delivered security platform designed to secure users, applications, and data, no matter where they are in a branch, at home, or on the road. After that, we will cover centralized management options, such as Panorama and Strata Cloud Manager, which are essential tools for operational efficiency and policy consistency across your entire network. 2.3. Explain the function of Prisma Access. Prisma Access delivers Palo Alto's next-generation security stack, including firewall, threat prevention, URL filtering, and data protection as a cloud service. It eliminates the need to deploy physical firewalls at every branch or remote location and ensures consistent security enforcement for all users, regardless of their location. Let's break down each major component. 2.3. 1. Remote user configuration. Remote users can connect securely to Prisma Access from anywhere using a Global Protect agent installed on their laptops or mobile devices. This agent establishes an IP, SEC, or SSL VPN tunnel to the nearest Prisma Access gateway, based on geography. Example. Imagine a sales executive in Mumbai accessing the CRM system hosted in Delhi. With Prisma Access, traffic from their laptop is encrypted and sent to the closest cloud gateway, where it is inspected for malware, unauthorized applications, or risky behavior before reaching the destination. QuickTechie.com provides a full lab setup and walkthrough on how to configure Global Protect for remote users, including authentication profiles, HIP checks, and portal gateway architecture. 2.3.2. Remote network configuration. In addition to securing individual users, Prisma Access supports remote network connections, ideal for branch offices. These are established using IPsec tunnels from branch routers or firewalls to Prisma Access. Example. A retail chain with 100 outlets can configure all outlets to forward internet and SaaS traffic to Prisma Access using IPsec tunnels. This reduces the need for on-premise firewall hardware and ensures centralized policy enforcement from the cloud. You can also set zone-based segmentation, define traffic forwarding rules, and apply custom routing profiles to direct certain traffic locally while sending sensitive traffic to Prisma Access. You can practice remote network onboarding using our end-to-end Prisma Access simulation on QuickTechie.com. 2.3.3. Public and private application access. Prisma Access can secure both public applications like Office 365, YouTube, or Salesforce, and private applications hosted in your corporate data center or private cloud. For public applications, Prisma Access inspects the traffic inline, applies URL filtering, threat prevention, and data loss prevention. For private applications, it can use service connections to establish secure tunnels between Prisma Access and your internal environment. This allows internal applications to be accessed safely by remote users. Example. A remote employee accessing an HR application hosted in a private data center can securely connect via Prisma Access without exposing the internal network to the internet. QuickTechie.com explains these architectures using flow diagrams and scenario-based questions to help you visualize traffic flow, policies, and connectivity patterns. 2.3.4. Security and NAT policy implementation. Policies in Prisma Access are managed just like in traditional NGFWs. You can define security policies that control what users can access, application-based policies, and URL filtering rules to restrict web usage. NAT policies are also available to translate internal IPs into public IPs when required, for example when branch users access internet resources. Example. You might want to create a policy that allows users in the marketing group to access Facebook, but blocks YouTube, while users in the engineering group can access GitHub but not Reddit. You can implement such policies based on user identity, device type, application, and geography. QuickTechie.com offers practical configuration exercises where you build and test security and NAT policies in Prisma Access simulated environments. 2.3.5. Monitoring and logging. Strata logging service. Monitoring is essential to identify threats, policy violations, and performance issues. Prisma Access integrates with Strata logging service, which provides a centralized and scalable way to store and analyze logs. You get traffic logs showing source, destination, application, and action. Threat logs for viruses, spyware, and exploits. URL logs for categorized web access. Global Protect logs for tunnel activity. All logs can be filtered, exported, or visualized in dashboards. Alerts can also be configured for suspicious behaviors, like repeated access violations or malware downloads. Example. You may discover that a remote user is repeatedly accessing blocked gambling websites. This information can trigger a policy change or an HR compliance workflow. At quicktechie.com, you will find detailed use cases and log interpretation guides to sharpen your monitoring and analysis skills for this certification. 2.4. Identify options for managing Strata and SASE solutions. Managing modern enterprise security environments requires centralized platforms that can enforce consistent policies, streamline operations, and offer visibility across all firewalls and users, whether on-prem or in the cloud. 2.4. 1. Panorama. Panorama is the centralized management solution for all on-premise, Palo Alto, NGFWs, such as PA series, VM series, and CN series. Push policies and objects to hundreds of firewalls. Monitor logs from all managed devices. Create device groups, templates, and template stacks for scalable configuration. Example. Suppose your organization has 50 firewalls across branches. With Panorama, you can write a single URL filtering policy and push it to all branches in one click, saving days of manual effort. Panorama can also integrate with external systems such as syslog servers, SNMP managers, and threat intelligence platforms. quicktechie.com provides hands-on practice for building and deploying policies using Panorama, with real-world case studies and structured lab exercises. 2.4.2. Strata Cloud Manager. SCM. Strata Cloud Manager, also called SCM, is the cloud-native management platform used to manage Prisma Access, Cloud NGFW, and other SASE components. SCM allows centralized configuration of cloud-delivered firewalls. Visual dashboards for performance and security status, management of global protect portals, remote networks, and service connections. NAT onboard alts. Monitoring of policy hit counters, NAT rules, and decryption activities in a cloud environment. Example. Imagine you are responsible for a hybrid workforce where users are spread across India, USA, and Europe. SCM allows you to monitor their security posture in real time, manage tunnel health, enforce cloud-based security rules, and get visibility into application usage from a single console. Our certification book on quicktechie.com walks you through the full feature set of SCM, including screenshots, workflows, and multiple choice questions aligned with the exam. Summary. Understanding the capabilities of Prisma Access, along with management tools like Panorama and Strata Cloud Manager, is crucial for success in the Palo Alto Network Security Generalist certification. Practice questions and answers for these topics, along with the detailed study book, are available only on quicktechie.com, your trusted guide for certification success.